Hi, I'm Rustin Ludke, Vice President of Sales and Marketing for Kato Cable. We have a successful history of developing wire harnesses for the power generation industry. Kato Cable designs harnesses to interface with engines, genset controllers, and monitoring devices. We provide harnesses that connect to the engine, to control panel cabinets, genset paralleling modules, or we can connect the entire system. Rest assured, we can meet your needs whether the harness is a high volume, low complexity item, or for a low volume, high complexity application. Kato Cable has made significant investments in automation technology for the production of our wire harnesses, such as our Comax Zetas. We also offer Kanban solutions, packaging and service part solutions, and consultation on battery cables and engineering. All of our harnesses are UL recognized and comply with UL 2200 power generation requirements. Connect with our sales team today to learn more about our wire harnesses for power generation or to schedule a tour of our world-class facilities.